Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get back Excel files not saved. First, let's talk about Excel's amazing Auto Recover feature. It's designed to automatically save your work at regular intervals, acting as your safety net. You can typically set it to save every 10 minutes, ensuring that even if something goes wrong, you won't lose too much progress. This is your primary defense against unexpected program closures or system crashes, so understanding it is key to data recovery. Now, let's find those auto-recovered files. Start by opening a new Excel workbook. Then, navigate to the File tab, usually found in the top left corner. From there, select Open and look for the Recover Unsaved Workbooks option, typically located at the very bottom of the Recent Files list. Clicking this will reveal a list of files that Excel has diligently saved for you, ready to be restored. Sometimes, Auto Recover might not catch everything, but don't worry, there's another trick. Excel occasionally creates temporary files that could hold your unsaved data. These files often have extensions like .xlb or .tmp and might be hidden on your system. You can try searching your computer's temporary folders, usually found in your user profile, for these potential recovery files. It's a bit like a digital treasure hunt, but it can pay off. To prevent future data loss, let's establish some best practices. Always remember to manually save your work frequently by pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S. Also, consider shortening your auto recover save interval to something like 5 minutes for even greater protection. Finally, explore using cloud storage services, as they often provide version history and automatic syncing, adding another layer of security to your valuable spreadsheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.